me show you guys what I'm doing. So this bolt is stuck in there. It was broke off kind of not far in, but far enough where I couldn't really weld a nut onto it, and I couldn't drill it out. So Dorman actually makes a product where you kind of stick something like that there with utilize another bolt hole, and they're out of stock. And I emailed Dorman, and they said they don't know when they're gonna have any made ever again. So I'm making my own. So if you want to do this, if you have this bolt broke off, make yourself one of these brackets, and I'm gonna weld a nut to the back of this here, and then thread a bolt in. So when I thread the bolt in here, what's gonna happen is you could thread a bolt here, and then it will tighten down on it. That's the game plan, at least. So hopefully that works. We'll find out. This is my solution right here. Weld nut at the top. This nut at the bottom is the same size as the flange, so this is going to go into the head, and it's just going to push down the core of the flange. See if it works. Alright guys, that's what it looks like all done in there. Not sure if that's going to work or help. I mean, it should help a little bit. I just hand tightened those bolts. Didn't want to crack the aluminum head or anything. You can see the metal actually bent a little bit there, but yeah, I'm happy with it. So got a new gasket on there, gonna fire it up. Hopefully it does not leak. Need to tighten these first, and then I'll get to doing that. Let's see what happens. Hi guys, for the limited resources and everything I do have, that actually turned out pretty good. Seems to make the exhaust tick go away. I'm happy about that. Hopefully it holds up. I know Dorman makes a product that is unavailable and not going to be available for a long time, so I couldn't get that bolt out. Figured I'd just try that. It was kind of fun, fabbing something up, and hopefully my welds hold up on that nut. It looks like they will. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe learned something new, and maybe a cheaper way to fix your vehicle. This one has 228,000 miles on it now, so not that big of a deal doing that. Take care.